Here indicates how the various factors of humidity and physical activity can determine the effect heat exposure can have on an individual. If you have to be out in hot environments, you must take precautions to prevent heat emergencies. Drink plenty of water when involved in activities in hot weather. Stay away from a lot of salt if you're going to be involved in some type of activity in the heat. Consuming salt may pull the needed water from your muscles into your digestive tract. In addition to increasing your water intake during activities in hot weather, make it a habit to drink several glasses of water every day. It will help keep you healthy, as well as helping to protect you from heat injuries such as heat cramps, heat exhaustion, and heat stroke. Symptoms of heat cramps include heavy sweating and painful spasms, usually in leg and abdominal muscles. Symptoms of heat exhaustion include heavy sweating, but skin may be cool, pale, or flushed. Weak pulse. Normal body temperature is possible, but temperature will likely rise. Fainting or dizziness, nausea, vomiting, exhaustion, and headaches are also possible. Symptoms of heat stroke include high body temperature, over 105 degrees, hot, red, dry skin, rapid, weak pulse, and rapid, shallow breathing. Victim will probably not sweat unless he or she was sweating from recent strenuous activity. It is also possible that the victim will lose consciousness.